Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video. This is actually a boat ride. Here is it that you're seeing me trying to adjust the drone because we actually took my mom out on a special day today. In her many years of being on this earth, this is her first actual boat ride. Here we have Captain Laga piloting the boat. I have the full vlog, it's not yet released. Some of the drone footage will be a bit, it's not gonna be the best because it's like the first time I'm actually in a boat and recording. So I hope you do enjoy this video and stay tuned for her reaction. Like, this was such a priceless moment. Like, we actually took the boat ride from Winni-Fred beach to Boston beach. And I'm telling you guys, I would do it all over again. Captain Laga was like the boss, you know what I mean? He had his music and everything. So guys, stay tuned and watch the entire video. So guys, at this particular point I had to put the drone in sport mode because the boat was really going super fast, you know what I mean? And here's it as I stopped because we were slowing down to get a close-up shot of us inside the boat. And here's it, that's Captain Laga there and my mom holding on for dear life. It was so much fun, guys. So I'm telling you, so this is us just cruising out in the ocean. I was there sitting down and just flying and stuff. And let me tell you, this is actually my first video actually flying while moving in a boat. So you know that it's a bit more technical and stuff, but I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna continue allowing you to enjoy this beautiful video. we actually stopped because there were some persons fishing right out here on the rocks. So I was having difficulty trying to find them. They were waving to the camera and all of that, you know, just showing us some love while we were on our nice little boat journey to Boston Beach. But guys, as I said, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just like showing you guys what's going on. So here is it that I'm going up closer to them. You know what I mean? They were there fishing. At one particular point in time before I caught them, they actually pull up our fish and stuff. So, you know what I mean? It's just a nice little settings, you know. I think it was a nice little day out for her. And this is just me trying to capture the scenery, trying to capture what's going on and all that. But guys, do continue to enjoy the rest of the video because it's not yet finished. So here is it now where you can see that we're approaching Boston Beach. So now we're entering around from this corner and stuff. Like, as I said, mom was scared out of her mind. Like, her face was like she was holding on for dear life. It was funny to me, it was funny to Ami, it was funny to Sarah. But guys, like, it was a beautiful experience. After the whole thing, she enjoyed it. I'm not lying to you, she enjoyed it so much. And she told me how much she appreciated it. So this was us going into the land and all that. At one particular point in time, like, the boat captain was trying to race the drone, but you know, the thing fast still, I ain't gonna lie. So this is us stopping and stuff. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.